Okay.
Oh no! It's chasing me!
You cannot get away!
Stay back! I'm right behind you! Get off my roof! Why is this storm chasing me?
Because you sailed into my harbor!
My wheels are on fire! Then drive faster, little shark! Stay off my back! This place feels all wrong! Every road here delivers to me! Not today, I'm out of here! Then run faster, little package! Don't touch my container!
You cannot escape!
Stay away from me!
I'm getting closer!
Get off my roof!
And now it belongs to me!
You'll never catch these wheels! Your next turn is your last! Stay off my truck! The cameras! I'm leaving! There is no exit in my theater! Get away from my spoiler! Then race against the sky! Get away from my water cannon! It's right behind me! Your strings belong to me! Faster! Faster! The final act begins! Get off my crane! These paper streets are folding behind me! I designed every trap in this city. Then watch me tear through your maze. Your next turn has no road. Let go of my roof. festival is completely out of control! You entered before the final explosion! I'm not staying for the finale! Then make this chase worth watching! Get out of my truck bed! These mirrors keep changing the road! Then I'll break your perfect maze! Try it before the music stops! Stay away from my light bar! That clock-headed creep is gaining on me! Your bedtime starts now! Because your dream belongs to me! Stay away from my bucket! Get off my roof! Right behind me! Faster! I need more speed! I've got you now! Get off my roof! It's right behind me!
You cannot escape!
I need more speed! I'm gonna catch you! Get off my roof!